the benefits of regular physical activity are well known.
There's no single treatment or intervention that can have as diverse of benefits as exercise. Particularly with the red meats like the sausages and burgers, because remember, red meats are high in saturated fats, and the grilling process can release some of these other toxins which are less heart healthy.
Dr. Lipi practices medicine in Boston. She says hearing about exercise from a healthcare professional sends a strong message.
Studies have shown that when a healthcare professional, a doctor, a nurse practitioner, advises a patient to adopt a healthy lifestyle behavior, that patient is more likely to adopt that behavior. If you follow a really regular balanced diet or balanced meal plan, you don't need to then further supplement your body or your meals and your water with probiotics.
Consider all the diseases exercise can keep at bay.
High blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, obesity, stroke, depression.
And the list goes on.
It can be as simple as walking for 30 minutes 3 times a week. Greetings. My name is Dr. Lipi and I specialize in addiction medicine. Today I want to talk to you about stigma and its negative impact on people with addiction. Greetings, home and family. My name is Dr. Lipi and yes, I'm a real physician. I taught clinical nutrition at Harvard Medical School, and I believe that food can be both healthy and delicious. Today I'm going to prepare an Indian-style couscous stir-fry. My patients with diabetes, if one of them, say, ate a whole box of cookies in the morning, resulting in a blood sugar of 600, I don't say, oh, you've been abusing chocolate chip cookies, or you've been abusing donuts, and as a result, your urine is dirty with sugar. We just don't use that kind of language. In that case, I abused ice cream last night. And now I'm going to add some toasted cashews, and here's the dish. Thank you, home and family.